Hi YouTube, it's Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with some updates. One of the biggest highlights comes from the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum is the completion of Southern E8 6914 that was painted this past week at Chattanooga, and I give them credit for using the photo. It's really pretty. They've got it on display right now at Grand Junction. So another Southern unit is done. I don't know what their next project is going to be, but be on the lookout for some of those additional updates when they come in. Let me go and pull up Dash9.com. There are several announcements from Dash9.com that I'm getting ready to read here in just a moment. Go down to the bottom of the page. An SD45 gets a PTC upgrade. SD45-2 1703, X Conrail 6662, and X Erie Lock 1 3677 has now been equipped with PTC. In addition to the PTC equipment, the Leslie SU3L-3L-R horn that was mounted on the top of the right of the cab roof has been removed and replaced with a 5-chime horn mounted, above the engine compartment. The 1703 is one of 6 X Conrail X Erie Lock 145-2s on the NS roster. All of these are assigned to Conrail shared assets in New Jersey. So it's not many of those, so they're really hard to spot. A couple of rebuilds have been completed. GP38-2 5087 and AC44 C6M 4094 have both been completed and released from Altoona. For the C6Ms, 20 of the 33 C6Ms planned for this year at Altoona have been completed. And the GP38-2 got the whole Altoona package, which is listed. More leasers are coming to NS. They've leased CBFX XBN 60M 6023, LTEX XCSX 60Ms 87, 65, and 73, and XCSX AC 6000s. From PRLX 609, 638, 665, and 681. NS has returned SD60i 8739 XCSX to LTEX due to crankshaft damage. This brings the total number of lease units right now to 178. So this is a really good time to be on NS right now with all the leased power. 2 more standard cab Dash 9s have been retired. 8835 and 8855 have been retired and will be rebuilt at Juniata as C6s 4101 and 02 respectively. With these units now retired, there are only 7 Dash 9 standard cabs that are left. So please get your photos of the remaining 7 while you can, because those 7 are going to be gone before you know it. So, let me check CSX locomotives right quick. No, there's been no changes right now on CSX. Just wish there was more out there, but that's all the announcements I have. I mean, I know it's a pretty nice list of announcements here. With the completion of 6914 at Tennessee Valley, that is actually a pretty nice project that they just completed. I know they had to do some electrical work to it, and maybe another mechanical issue had to be resolved to it. I'm not sure, but they sanded it down, they primed it and painted it, and it's back in its original colors, which is pretty. I love the E8s and the Southern Crescent. That was one of my favorite passenger trains on the Southern, and that still continues to run on Amtrak as the Crescent. So that's a piece of history right there that used to pull that train years and years ago. But E8s were very reliable on the Southern, and the Southern got their life out of them because they were very good and reliable engines. So even the FP7s were another reliable engine that Southern had, and that also wore the Crescent scheme for a long time. That is the as delivered paint. You had the tuxedo scheme for freight, and you had the Crescent scheme for the passenger trains. So don't know what the next plan is for Tennessee Valley. I'm still waiting to hear of what's going to go on there. But that is all the announcements I have. My latest compilation is up from Thursday. Got 3 trains on there. I'm not going to give them away, but I'm starting to do some changes to the channel, and I hope you all like. So, if you guys like my videos that I have been posting on the on my YouTube channel, please remember to give them a thumbs up. If you want like to leave a comment, please leave a comment in the comment section below on any of the videos. If you are new to the channel, please remember to hit the subscribe button. If you would like to know when I post a new video, please hit the notification bell right by the subscribe button. That will send you a direct link to the newest video release. Also, a week from Saturday, not tomorrow, but the next Saturday, the 15th, the question answers responses will be released on YouTube. So if you have not yet submitted a question on the Q&A, please leave your question in the comment section below on that video specifically, so I keep all the questions together. So if you don't have a question yet, you still have time, but just remember the 15th will be right around the corner. So anyway, that concludes this announcement video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I'm Engineer Pat, and I will see you guys on the next real adventure. Peace out, guys.